Hello guys, I'm Nikhil. Today we are going to learn about the shell command. To activate the shell command, we need to draw a feature first. I'm going to draw extrude feature. For example, if I have a rectangular feature, then extrude about this symmetric. Now I'm going to add a round to this edge, the radius of okay, like this. Okay, for shell we need to open command first, then select the face to be shell. Then we can see the upper face is get removed and the thickness is will get added to this all edges or all faces. Here we can change the thickness like 15, 20, whatever value we want we can add here. Then from this button we can change the direction of material addition. Now it is inside the material addition. If it is click outside of this material addition, inside outside both are possible. Then after click OK whenever it is done. Now we are going to see the features in a shell. For example, in a reference there is a command like remove surface. If you want to remove any other surface, uh, like I want to remove this surface only, so click here and press the control button and click the face. So we can see now this only this face can remove, and click OK whenever it is done. Now we're going to see another feature in a shell, edit, and in a reference there is a command like non-default thickness. Means if you want to give a thickness to an individual face, then it is also possible, individual face with different thickness instead of the by default thickness. Okay, then click on command, then select the face and give where the individual thickness. I want it is to be 45. Now we can see the individually this face got added the another thickness instead of the default thickness. Then click after OK. For example, if there is a sweep section, then also possible. For sweep we need to draw a trajectory first. And open a sweep, and I'm going to draw the first cross section over this point. For example, this is my feature and this is the sweep feature. Now I want to shell this command, shell this feature, then also possible. Open the shell and select the space. Now we can see the only one shell is got shell, and if you want to do this space also, then press Ctrl and select the face. Then both the faces will got removed and thickness is over added to the faces, and the all other features are same. In reference, we can remove individual faces also. Just press the control and select the edges, then it is possible. So that's it. Thank you.